everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I am Neha, and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel or in my video, in my particular video, because yesterday I told you that I got selected in UPB, I got my government job, and now I would be sharing with you that how was my whole journey. Okay, so stay, put your seat belt, keep tight it, and we will be going through my all journey. How did I do that, and how that journey stretched for 2.5 year. Okay, so the story begins from 2023. It was like that in 2023. There was exams, like the forms comes out. So I was like, मुझे भी भरना चाहिए नहीं ये. इट वॉज इन माई बकेट लिस्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ की थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ मुझे ये करना है. तो उस लिस्ट में दिस एग्ज़ाम वॉज ऑन द टॉप. Okay, so I was thinking to do it since very beginning when I cleared my 12th, because after 12th we can give such type of exams, some police exams. Okay, बट वट हैपन, वी आर नॉट दैट फॉर्चुनेट इनफ, क्योंकि मतलब जो फॉर्म्स आउट होते हैं, जो गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म्स आउट होते हैं, उनका एक पीरियोडिसिटी होता है आफ्टर ईयर, आफ्टर 3 year, आफ्टर 4 year, एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली फॉर दिस एग्जाम द पीरियोडिसिटी वॉज 5 years. So after 5 years, the last forms which were out, those were in 2018. So after 2018, in 2023, can you believe after 5 years we got the forms of UPP? So I filled it out, and after that I think the charge was 500. 400 was of filling out the form. 400 was for exam, for exam fees, and 100 for filling up for cafe one. So I did it. After that I started preparing. Okay, I started doing the things. I started studying for UP special. I started studying for geography, polity, history, economics, math, reasoning, everything. I started doing Hindi. So Hindi, it was a new subject for me, because from 10th I did not touch that. And that time I was like, in 10th I can say I had you can say I had 97 marks in my Hindi subject when I was in 10th. I was a good student actually. I used to get ranks in my schools even. So yeah. So yeah, when I did that, it was like I will be doing it, I will clear it. But it was not easy journey for anyone, for me as well, because जब भी मैं मतलब स्टार्ट करती थी प्रिपरेशन, तो सम फैमिली इशूज़ आर ऑलवेज देयर. लाइक मेरा ऐसा होता था कि अगर मैं पढ़ रही तो समवन शुड नॉट बी देयर एट दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, समवन शुड नॉट बी रोमिंग अराउंड हियर एंड देयर, समवन शुड नॉट बी शाउटिंग, समवन शुड नॉट बी सेइंग टू मी टू डू such kind of stuffs. Because when I study, it's like we have to focus it, we have to become the saint, not that saint, that hermit, साधु संत. तो हमें वो बनना पड़ता है. बट फैमिली मेम्बर्स डजंट अंडरस्टैंड. वो लोग सोचते हैं कि मतलब ऐसे तैश दिखा रही है, ऐसे शी इज़ डूइंग समथिंग, शोइंग समथिंग मी, दिस एंड दैट. लाइक दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. बट या सबके साथ ये होता है, बिकॉज वी आर फ्रॉम मिडिल क्लास फैमिली. वी जस्ट हैव 1 or 2 rooms in our home, so we need to share our things with our family members. So this happened. Still I continued my study, and after that when I gave the exam, it was in February 2024. ओके, तो जब मैं एग्ज़ाम देने गई तो मेरा एग्ज़ाम बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ. आई वुड से कि अगर वो एग्ज़ाम हो जाता तो आई कुड से कि आई कुड बी इन टॉप 100, क्योंकि मेरे इतने अच्छे मार्क्स थे उस टाइम पे. ठीक है, नहीं हुआ. तो उसके बाद क्या होता है, हमारा जो पेपर होता है फरवरी वाला, वो लीक हो जाता है. तो आफ्टर गेटिंग लीक्ड, व्हाट CM did, like our CM Adityanath Yogi ji, what he did, he cancelled all the exam. So he said ki after 6 months we will be reconducting this exam. So after 6 months, in August, it was in August 2024 when I gave the exam again. Okay, so when I gave the exam, it was totally different. Like exam questions, I won't say procedure, exam questions format was totally different. Okay, So it was totally different, but still, I'm not saying it was difficult. It was different, but still I tried. And I, in the exam hall, when I was doing that, I was totally assured कि मतलब कट ऑफ में तो, कट ऑफ के तो मैं अंदर ही रहूँगी, मतलब कट ऑफ के बाहर जाने का तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं उठता. लाइक आई वुड बी गेटिंग दिस एग्ज़ाम until or unless I could run the race. This was the main point. The race was the main height of distance for me to getting that job. Suppose I could say, if the exam was like this, plain. So for me, the running was a steep slope. So it was like I had to cover this, like I had to do running. And you won't believe that for me, doing any kind of physical activity, it was so hard for me, because since beginning, since childhood, I had not done any physical activity. It was like I being a girl child, I was always prohibited to go out to play with boys, to do such kind of stuffs which we do outside. And so for that, I have never been outside, I have never played, I have never run. I used to think ki if I will run, I'll die. I was that kind of girl, you won't believe. So it was like that. So so I would be coming on this. So I gave the exams. In the exams hall, I was feeling कि मेरा हो जाएगा. But I told you कि एक सबसे बड़ी मुश्किल थी मेरे लिए, वो थी रनिंग करनी. तो after giving exam, I started immediately. I immediately started running. So September, October, November, December, January, February, I ran for 6 months. You won't believe, I ran for 6 months. In for 6 months I was in dilemma कि मेरा हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा, हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा, मुझसे रनिंग हो पाएगी नहीं हो पाएगी. Every day I used to cry. Every day I used to cry that मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा है. लाइक आई हैव माई फूट एक मेरी सांस फूल रही है, मुझसे, मेरे अंदर स्टैमिना नहीं है, मुझे ये खाना चाहिए, मुझे वो खाना चाहिए, मुझे कॉफ़ी पीनी चाहिए, मुझे कुछ और चीज़ें लेनी चाहिए. Every day, you won't believe, every day it was happening with me. Every day I was crying. Every day, sometimes it also happened, I won't say कि मैंने रेगुलर किया, आई वोंट से कि इट ऑल्सो हैपन कि फॉर 15 days, फॉर इवन 20 days आई डिडंट रन for 6 months. Like it happened twice. Once I had some personal issues, and second, when I had I got the fever, typhoid. I got the typhoid for that. For in 6 months, I would not, like you can say, I would be running. I would have run just for 5 months properly, 4 to 5 months. So then even when I was going for running for my, like in February, in January I was not getting my time, because we all know for any police exam we have some particulars, we have some specific timing. In that specific timing you have to run a race. So in that, even in January I was not getting the time. I was so depressed, yaar. I was depressed. I was thinking agar nahi hua to what would I do, where would I go. So it was like that. But when I ran the race, it was like I cleared it, yaar. And that moment when I saw my name, that I cleared the name, when I imagine that moment, I feel like, what? I cleared it. I got my name, Neha Kumari Kushwaha. It's my full name. I got my name, Neha Kumari Kushwaha, in that list, and it was like tick tick. And the timing of my running of my race was 13:35, I guess, or 36. No, 26. It was. So I ran it. I was like कि सब कुछ हो सकता है. So after that I didn't had any problem. I didn't had any dilemma. I didn't had any pressure कि अब नहीं हो पाएगा. Running के बाद तो I was all clear कि अब मेरा नहीं होगा तो किसका होगा वे. So it was like that. Condition was like that, because I knew कि कट ऑफ में मेरा नाम आ जाएगा, मेरे मार्क्स अच्छे थे. And for medical, I was totally fit. Wait, you all would be thinking कि चश्मा था ना मेरे ऊपर, मतलब मेरी आंखों के ऊपर. So yeah, I got operated. So I got my operation. I got operated my eyes, and they are well now. so I can see properly 6 by 6 as you all can see. सो आफ्टर दैट आई डेंट हैड एनी प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली. सो ठीक है, सब कुछ हो गया. मार्च में मेरा लाइक इन मई में हुआ है ना मेडिकल, तो अभी हुआ है कुछ दिनों पहले. हाँ, सो इन मई इट वॉज माई मेडिकल एंड नाउ I would be going Lucknow to get my joining letter in my hands from Adityanath Yogi ji from CM, and let's see what happens. I'm excited for my life ahead. I would be very happy, I know, and you all can be happy. Why can't you be happy? Let it be whatever is happening in your life. Let's fight together. Let's just fight for our happiness. Let's just fight for ourselves. Yeah, not for anyone. Just fight for ourselves. That the fighting would be, we have to live happy. We need to live happy. We don't have to live for any other person. We don't have to live for ourselves. We we have to fulfill our dreams. We have to buy clothes for ourselves. We have to you know we have to give ourselves small treats. When I was child, when I used to run, that time for particular running, so there was a particular stall, gajak ka, rebdi ka. So I used to like a particular rebdi, particular gajak, white one. So I never said my parents to get me that. I'm that kind of person. I'm that shy. I don't know why I don't say, but yeah, it's my habit. So whenever I used to pass from that particular vendor shop, I used to be like, बेटा तुझे तो लेकर आऊँगी, अपने पैसों से लेकर आऊँगी तुझे खाऊंगी मैं. So it was like that, and now I think the days are coming, because I totally believe now that we are individual, okay, and we come here individually. So we need to live here individually. Although we have some relations, we have our parents, we have our loved ones, we have our brothers, sisters, everyone, but yeah, still we also exist, na. So we also have to prioritize ourselves somewhere. Then we can help others. Until or unless we won't be happy, we cannot make anyone happy. And I understood this. I actually understood this. Until or unless we are not happy, we cannot make others happy. So this, the priority of making proud to ourselves, or making happy to ourselves, that should be yours, because no one is going to make you happy until or unless you are not happy from inside. So that should be your priority, and that's it. We will be sharing other things in future. We will be studying, we will be preparing for some other exams. I will be sharing with you my routine, what do I do in my training, what do I do when I go alone, how do I feel, everything I'm going to share with you. And yeah, till then ध्यान रखिए अपना, और yeah, bye bye.